scale of $1 to $8 in the comments right now. Put how much you think this DIY project cost me to make. Winner, I'll make you guys a bracelet out of whatever I used. What's good, y'all, and welcome back to my channel of the Tacoma. Hey, sorry, my dogs. But yeah, I got a new video for you guys. So, you know, like sometimes you'll be on YouTube and you'll get to the point where you don't even know like how you came across a certain video channel, but you're entertained and you just keep watching more and more. Well, that happened. I was watching how to make a paracord bracelet video. I don't know how I ended up there, but I ended up there and thought of an idea. So a quick little backstory. My mom, she's not the tallest. She's probably like yay high. For her, getting into the truck is a mission because she's really short. And so she went to go get into the back seat, and right away she just didn't know what to grab onto. Yes, there are those handles up here, but if you look at it this way, like, you don't see them. So obviously she didn't know what to grab onto. She grabbed onto this and then grabbed onto this, tried pulling herself up. And so then watching this paracord video, I was like, wait, I can make something similar to that. Instead of looping all the way around, connecting it to a buckle to make a bracelet, I can make a pull handle or a little handle to attach to the Tacoma for it to be easier for people to grab onto and pull themselves in. I showed my sister after I made it. She's like, but bro, your truck is stock. It's stock height. Even when I told my girlfriend, she said the same thing. Shout out my girlfriend, Des. But she said the same thing. She's like, calm down, bro. Your truck ain't that high. And yeah, it's not, but I still want to have something for people to hold on to. Maybe when I have people in the back seat and I decide to go off-roading, they have something to hold on to too. Because there's two ways of setting it up the way I made them. So hold on. This is what I pretty much made. It's paracord made like in a chain style. I'll put the link to the video of where I saw this in the description. I'm not gonna say, oh, I came up with it. No. I was watching the video. It's supposed to be a bracelet, but I said, you know what, let me make it longer and then just have it loop like this for a handle, and it works great. So pretty much it's gonna get attached to the headrest of the seat. If it's in this form, so it's gonna work way better if it's over here on this bar post from the entry, just because they have more to pull. If you do this, try it out, test it over here and here, and you'll see what I mean. But it's really simple. You don't need any key ring or anything, just a loop at the top. It's gonna go right in there. You're gonna lift it, put it in there, and then it's gonna go all the way down. Power of YouTube, 3, 2, 1, boom, just like this, see? And now when people open the door, you see this handle right here. Hopefully it works, that their instinct is to hold on to this to pull themselves up, just like that. Now, there's two ways. I'm gonna show you that way. Let me go over there. Sorry if it seems like I'm rushing this, because I really am. I don't want to lose any daylight, and I'm sorry for that noise. We have a neighbor down the street, 4 houses down, that's blowing their leaves out of their yard. All right, so the second way that you could set this up is like this. Let me get in and show you guys. This is pretty much the second method. So we're gonna loop the first one around, right? So this part, this is the end where this loop originally goes through right there, comes out, and then it would get hooked on right here, and then it would just get dangled to be like this. So what I did is pretty much connected that there without running the loop through this one. On one of them, inserted the rod through, and then this one's pretty much just gonna go right through another loop. Just like that. That's all it needs. It's gonna hold on, perfect. So then you just close it, and there you have it, a handle. Now people grab onto this, pull themselves up, or if you're off-roading, they got a handle to grab onto. Of course, they can always grab onto this, but they can also have this to hold on to. It works perfectly fine. So that's pretty much the little quick DIY handle. Sorry if this video is crappy and just rushed. It really is, to be honest. I just wanted to make a quick video on this because I thought it was pretty dope. And just like that, I'm in the passenger seat. Power of editing. If my girlfriend shows her parents this video, they're gonna be like, what the? Anyways, the handle behind the driver's seat, there is 15 feet of paracord. And this handle behind the passenger seat, there's 12 feet. It was just a quick video for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you think it's helpful, if that's a useful thing that I just made. If you're interested in one of those, like I said, the link to the video will be in the description. Go ahead and watch it. Be creative. There's many different types of handles you can make. Paracord bracelets are like a completely different side of YouTube. Like there's, just click on the link to the video, watch it. If you make one, follow Lana the Yoda and DM me a picture of it or tag me in the picture of it. I'm interested to see which ones you guys go with. This one, it was fast to make, but I kept getting distracted. So it did take me like probably an hour to make both of them. I just made it last night. Boom, worked out perfect. Also, if you are a subscriber, you're not following Lana the Yoda, please do on IG. It's right here. It'll also be in the description. I'm promising one video a week for now. I'm gonna shoot for Tuesdays, hashtag Taco Tuesday, or that's when I want to post a video. This one was supposed to be for today, Tuesday, but it's gonna be Wednesday's video. Sorry, it is what it is, but I'm gonna push myself and force myself. Even my girlfriend, she was like, bro, you're slipping already. Come on now. I was like, I know. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you guys thought that was a useful little thing. If maybe it'll be useful for you guys in the future, let me know. If you guys want one of those and you guys don't want to watch that video, you guys like that design, that look, and you think, hey, that's gonna work for me, I want one, follow Lana the Yoda on IG and DM me. Let me know that you saw the video, you liked it, and you want one, and I'll go ahead and make you guys one. DM me and we can work something out and I'll get you guys one. Yeah, if you guys liked it, let me know. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry that I'm looking at my screen and not the camera. I'm gonna get better, I promise. Like I said, I'm back.